We got another jackboot encounter. Another jackboot encounter. So basically, I'm here in Springfield, Missouri on Seminole, and I don't know, Rabbi Ernest Jacob Memorial Highway, where we have a traffic stop. I'm here for this young man and lady's protection to let them know that they don't have to answer questions and never consent to searches. This might be a simple traffic stop, but it sounds like I hear more brakes. This will be Jackboot Thug Pig Encounter 6 on this Sunday, December 30th, 2024. It's your girl. Yes, it's your girl, and I'm a girl all day, every day. It's your girl, Needs Now Springfield. Reminding you to always film the police, because you never know what they're going to say. You never know what they're going to do. And at the end of the day, guys, it's going to be your word against theirs. You don't have to answer questions. Never consent to searches. Hey, and if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay and film. And that's what I'm going to do. Jackboot Thug Pig Encounter. All day, every day. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is the 5th jackboot encounter of the day. Three are live and 2 are static. 3 are live and 2 are static. 2 of them are with the Greene County Sheriff's Department. And 3 of them are with the 3 of them are with the Lion-ass Springfield Police Department. Where Springfield Police Department told me I could go to another library, but they lied. Uh-oh, here comes your boy back up. Here comes your boy back up, the ghost unit that was just over at Walmart. He was just at Walmart. I just took a video of him. He was at the last traffic stop.
Is there a reason you continually are stopping and disrupting investigations?
How am I doing that? By filming?
Yes, you are 100%. He's on a traffic stop.
And I'm filming.
And you're coming up here and you're
and it's perfectly legal.
No, listen. You're not hindering his investigation because he has to focus on one thing, and now you're coming up here and jeopardizing his safety because of you coming up here. Yes, 100%. You also hindered the investigation back there by yelling across the road. So, are you continually stopping and involving yourself in investigations that you're not a part of?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, give me your ID.
For what?
Because I can identify you.
For
you're
what?
Involving yourself in his
No, I'm not. I'm over here.
100%
No, I'm not.
Is your name Mary?
No, my name's not Mary.
Okay, then let's go ahead and see your ID.
No, I didn't do anything.
You are doing something. You're hindering an investigation. So where's your ID?
You're illegally IDing me right now. I'm not breaking the law. It's perfectly legal to film
an investigation.
Really?
So
by filming the police this is what I do for a living. But okay. I'll give you my ID.
Awesome.
All right. Awesome. See it?
Nope. Go ahead and get it here. Hand it here.
For what though? What?
Because
what
you have involved yourself in an investigation.
Okay.
That is the crime.
Okay.
You are hindering
Get back from me, sir.
multiple investigations.
Back away from me, sir. These guys don't have body cameras on either. Good thing I got my video. What's your name and badge ID, sir?
Deputy Kruger.
And your ID?
You don't need it. You just need my
The
name.
1993 Badge ID Act. Officers must identify. Are you aware of that? The 1993 Badge ID Act? I'm asking for your badge ID, not your number.
What's up, guys? This is Dr. O from Innovative Dental, and thanks so much for watching. Today we're going to talk about
oil burning.
Here's your ID. You can leave, but I'm going to tell you right now, if you continue to show up to our investigations, to our stops, and you continue to hinder them, you will go to jail. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Am I done? I don't answer questions. I've already told you
Okay,
that.
then leave. You no longer have a purpose here. Go.
This is a public
No,
property.
go.
I'm reporting.